Let me show you exactly how to set up Microsoft 365 or Outlook mailboxes for cold email in minutes for as low as $3.50 per month. So we're going to be using this app called PrimeForce. They released Google Workspace accounts and recently Microsoft 365 or Outlook mailboxes. And they set up everything for cold email. So what you want to do is click Get Started. You sign up just like you would on any other app. You click Create Domains. You add your primary domain right here. Let's say vidryan.com, and then it will find secondary top level domains for you, so you don't need to search across 10 different providers to see available domains. And as you can see, we got a lot of domains created for us, multiple .net top level domains. Let's add like 5. Click next. Here we set up the forwarding, so that would be https vidryan.com. So all of these domains, if you ever visit them, they will redirect to your primary domain. Here you add contact details, and now you'll be able to select whether you want Google or Microsoft mailboxes. Of course, this guide is for Microsoft, so we select Microsoft, click auto generate, select all the domains you want to generate mailboxes for, so all 5. Number of mailboxes per domain, select 2, click next, select the name types. Of course, we're going to randomize it, but if you want, you can use your own names. You can upload your own GIFs or images for profile pictures, right? You click next, you add a signature, whatever you want. Just don't add like links. As you can see, here's a good example of how you should add your own website, and click generate 10 mailboxes. And that's literally it. You'll have 10 MS 365 mailboxes, Outlook mailboxes set up for cold email in minutes, and you're paying less than half that you would pay if you were getting them from Outlook directly. Now, if you have your infrastructure set up, I suggest you take a look at how to send 10,000 cold emails every single day and sell your services. The video is right here.